Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I have kind of like a this and that, sort of. And I want to welcome you all to my channel. And if you're new here, I want to ask you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video when it's coming out. Also, I want to remind you that my 1,002-year anniversary giveaway is still open, and it is open till the end of January, and I'm going to have that little card up there in the window if you want to click on it and go check it out. Be sure and come back and watch this video though. And I also wanted to remind you that the 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas is coming to an end, and it will be ending on January 14th, and winners will be announced on January 15th. So be on the lookout for that as well. If you haven't entered, be sure and watch those videos. I have a playlist, and also there'll be a little link up there, a little card for you to click on that. But as for today, what I have is a Macy's. I guess it would be a Macy's haul, and it is going to consist of Estee Lauder, of course, and there's 1 or 2 other items in this haul, and it came in 2 packages. So we have 2, and the first one we'll go through is this little box here. It does have the Macy's sign on it. And this was an after Christmas sale, and I've had it sitting over here for a while, and I just haven't had time to get to it. And I thought today is the day to get to it. So we're going to get through this and see what I ordered. And if I remember correctly, I think I ordered a sweater. And looking like it might have been red. Oh yeah. So you know Macy's is Macy.com, and you can get some really good deals on their site. And on this particular purchase, I've got 2 items in here. And of course they sent me my little receipt thing in case I need to send it back. And it looks like a regular receipt. So altogether for this shipment, I paid $56.78. This here was for the foundation and for the shirt. I got me some Estee Lauder foundation, and it is the double wear. It is the 3C2, which is the lighter color that I use whenever I'm starting to lose my tan. And this is probably more my shade. And it is the double wear. This is a stay in place makeup, and I really like it, and I highly recommend this makeup. I have it on now, but I never have it alone. I always mix colors. So I have that with some 3 and some 4 and some 5 mixed together to get my color that matches my skin. So I know it's kind of crazy, but that's what I do. Okay, now this sweater that I got, ooh, this is nice and soft. I just thought this looked really cool. You know, when you're shopping online, it's kind of hard to tell. And I hope I like it. It's got a cutout in there, and it has a few rhinestones. And it originally was $54.50, and I got it for $17.44. So I did get a nice purchase on it. It feels like a polyester blend. Let me see if that's what it is. It says it's a JM collection, which I'm not familiar with that. And there's not anything on there that tells me what it's made out of. Oh well, that's what I got right there. Anyways, I like that color. What do y'all think? I think it'll go good with me. And the next item that I got, when you purchase any purchase with Estee Lauder, I was able to get the Estee Lauder Blockbuster for, I don't know, I think it was marked down to $65. I think it originally was $75. And if I ordered something, they had it marked down by 15%, I think. And so inside this box, which is again another Macy's box, and we do have a HelloFresh here if you're interested. Laura has used the HelloFresh, and she says it's very good, and this is a 75% off your first box, plus it ships free, so that seems like a very good code. And if you want to know more about HelloFresh and maybe some of the meals, you could go over and check out Laura Wooten Unboxing and our Laura Wooten channel. I'm not sure which one it's on, but she made some of the meals and she posted some videos. Now inside here, we have my Blockbuster. And I'm going to get it right on out of here. And guys, I really didn't need any makeup, but you know, I use the Estee Lauder skincare. It is my favorite. And I thought, okay, I wasn't going to buy a Blockbuster, but then I got to thinking, you know, I need to buy a Blockbuster because just getting the skincare, like if this was $60 on sale and I get this case, so it's a nice little travel case that I can travel with, and we've got our zip around here to see what we got in here. Oh, and this time it's inside a box inside of a box. This is nice. I have a nice travel case that I can use right away and fill that up, and this can be good for all kinds of things. It doesn't have to be makeup. It could be like my shampoos and all that kind of stuff when we're traveling. But anyways, inside here is my box of goodies. So they've done it differently this year. They usually have a bunch of plastic and it's hard to get it out. This year they've put it in a box. It says Estee Lauder on there. It looks like it's sealed all the way around, except for maybe right here. I'm not sure. Well, let's go this route. Let's pull it open and see what we have. They definitely have this packaged differently this year. Okay, they have this packaged individually. And when I say individually, I've never seen packaging like this for Estee Lauder on their Blockbusters. But they're individually wrapped in there. So the photo that we had is what's going to be in there. And I'm going to have to take it out of each box to see what's in here. And this here is our eye makeup remover. I'm not sure if I like this new packaging, but you know what? A lot of people complained about the plastic, so much plastic that they used. So they're probably trying to go plastic free, but this is their gentle makeup remover that you can use around your eyes, and it's very good. And then we have our compact here, and we'll open this up and see what we have in here. It does have a mirror, so I'm going to cover that up with this so I can show it to you. It's got some little snowflakes on there, and it looks to be like a blush and maybe a bronzer. So we've got a blush and a bronzer, but that's very pretty, and it's a little bit different than what they usually have, and I like both colors, so that'll work. I'll keep that out of the packaging. Okay, let's see what else we have here. It looks like we have two small samples, and this is the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus, and I do use that, and that's probably the eye. And then we also, this is for eye for day, and then this is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream, which I use this all the time. It is a staple that I use. I don't use any other eye cream. I only use Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Cream. Now we've got us a red lip liner, which is great. I'll use that. And we have us a red lip gloss, which looks very shiny. Very nice packaging. And I'm sure it's very red, and it's with a brush. So that's how that is packaged. And then we have their Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara, which I use this mascara. I have it on right now. It's a very good mascara. I highly recommend that. And we have, the reason I bought this, we have our Advanced Night Repair, and this is a hyaluronic acid. It is a very great synchronized hyaluronic acid, and it's in the top 5 recommended by dermatologists. And I love this. You guys know that I use it all the time, and this bottle alone is like $80. So this, paying $60 for this kit on sale, more than paid for my Estee Lauder Blockbuster. So, and y'all know I ran out of that, and I dropped my bottle and lost half of it. Now we have 2 lipsticks in here, and this is our packaging. They're just gold. And we have, they're different this year. they've got like some texture on there. I've never seen them do the snowflake texture. That is kind of like a mauve color. And it's written so little I probably won't be able to tell you the actual color. It's Pure Envy and it's Intense Nude, and I have that color. And then this here is Pure Envy Immortal, and this is going to be red, I'm sure of that. Oh yeah, and it has the snowflakes on it as well. So I've never seen them do that. So they have changed up some of their packaging a little bit to go with the snowflakes that's on their packaging. And it's interesting, on this one it's gold with the snowflakes, and on this one it had red with the snowflakes. So they did change that up just a little bit. And let's see, we've got a couple more things in here. We have a full size of the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus. And again, this is the facial moisturizer, and I'll use this during the day, and I love this. It's a great moisturizer. I don't know, I'll show you that it's really whipped. It has just a light fragrance, and I use it right now. I'm using it at night. I do have some night cream, but I'm using up a sample that I had. And then we have one more item here. That's interesting. I guess I didn't get the eyeshadow palette one, which is fine with me. I don't need any more eyeshadows. I think there was 2 different kinds that you can get, and since I bought it after the Blockbuster, it might have been all that was left. Oh, okay, we got a full size of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Synchronized Cell Cream. And this is what I use every night, and I also use this during the day. I use it all the time, actually. I've got one more item here, and I believe this is a deluxe sample size of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and it is the hyaluronic acid multi-recovery complex. So in my package, which I was really wanting, these were the 3 items. Well, I'll count this one too. This is what I wanted. And for me to get this would probably run about $180, not counting these sample sizes, just to get these 2. So because I knew that, I went ahead and purchased the Blockbuster, and the other items are just a bonus. And then if you buy a full size of this is around $60 or $70. So I mean, the skincare alone paid for it. So that was why I got it, and I will utilize these other products. Don't you worry about that. I'll for sure do that. And they did change their packaging up. Like I said, they've never done it like this before. It's always been in some big plastic display, and very hard to get out of the plastic too. So this was my Estee Lauder Blockbuster that I got for $60 by purchasing any Estee Lauder product during their Christmas sale after Christmas. And of course, I chose the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I got this really, really cute blouse. And I'm sure I'll be wearing this soon. So that is my Macy's Estee Lauder haul. And do you have a favorite? We already know what my favorite is. It's this and this. My 2 favorite things. Plus, I do like my blouse that I got. And of course, I definitely love their foundation. So let me know what your favorites are. Do you use Estee Lauder? Do you ever buy things on sale at the end of the year when they have such good sales? Let me know. And that's all I have for this Macy's haul. Be sure and check my descriptions, because I do have those giveaways out there. My 1,000 and 2-year anniversary, it is 3 giveaways in that one. One of them is a $100 Amazon card, so be sure and go over there and check that out. Be sure and look out for any collaborations. I have several that are coming out in the next 4 to 5 weeks, so be looking for them. And as for today and Macy's Estee Lauder haul, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.